Okay friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to take a video screenshot on your Windows PC. Okay, we need VLC software for this, and we are using VLC software for screenshot of a video. So open a video in your VLC player. Then you can see here there is an option of video here, and click the snapshot. That's guys, we have successfully created a video snapshot. So go to pictures from the library section and wait for it. Then you will get this video file is here. So this is very simple. You can use this software in Mac and also PC and also Android mobiles. So everywhere you can use this function, like take a video screenshot of a still image. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.